What's up, guys? Headphone wearers, I apologize. We are back in this, and I'm home alone, which means I can be as loud as I want to. And again, if it's too loud, I apologize. But we're getting right back in on this here, and as you guys remember from the last video of Shovel Knight that played, I cleared the Exploratorium. But none of you saw that. Dumbass. But because of that, a little dude appeared right here. Okay, thank you. I was about to say, do I have to enter the Iron Rail for it? North of Pridemore, west at the fork. Oh, bother. I must have passed it already. Well met, traveler. Ooh, maybe you can help me. I think I got lost. I was trying to... Wait a second. You're the knight with a shovel. Indeed, I am the knight with a shovel who has been menacing the village. I assure you, I've done no such. You're gonna use that shovel to bury innocent people? Oh, God, your reign of terror ends here. And time out. Okay, sorry about that. But now my relic is gonna be 20 times easier to use because I saw that someone else did that, and it's a lot easier to use now. It's not up and X, it's now Y. So fuck. Take my shovel to the face. I'll bury you when I'm done. Evil doers. It's basically, you know what? If you're curious how the Plague Knight went, just imagine this guy with like those medieval doctor's masks, and you pretty much got how Plague Knight went and how he acts, so you guys didn't miss much. Except this guy's a lot easier than Plague Knight was. Nope. Yes! Thank you, cheap game tactics. I mean, totally legit strategies. Do your worst, village. Strike me down. I am no villain. We're fighting for fighting a common enemy. We are. Why didn't you say so? Wow, I feel like a fool now. Think nothing of it, friend. Knights are strongest when they work together. Yeah, Knight's code, first vow. Always help a person in need. Knock him down, Shovel Knight. Fuck yeah, diamonds! Alright, hey Bard. I know I'm like 50 to 100 miles away, but word is you know I have stuff for you. Yep, called it. I have 2 music sheets because 500 gold for each. Yes, wonderful. Let's see here. Oh, you found the adventure awaits. Studies, reading maps is far easier than with the musical backing. I kinda wish you read the titles of everything, but oh well. I can get more health, right? Do I want to do that? Yes, I do. Yes. Give me that meal ticket. Wop! Cook for me, Gaston. Gastronomer. So yeah. No, more wood. I decided to record now. Okay, that was the last one. When no one's home, because I feel like that'd be better for everyone, because that means I could just be obnoxious and loud if I want to be. And no one's gonna say shit, except maybe my neighbors, but fuck them. That doesn't matter. They don't care. They hear enough screaming from personal activities. Wah! Make this guy happy. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Haha. Horse lady! Why so long face? Alright. So now we go forth. Treasure Hall of Champions. What's that? What the hell is that? Is that a catapult? Yeah, whatever. We're going to Treasure Night. The Iron Whale. Ooh. Shiny. Uh oh, it's Bioshock. With shovels instead of wrenches. Oh. Water. Wah. Come on. Oh, you son of a bitch. Holy fuck. Well. I killed your buddy. With your body's dead body. Buddy's dead body. Wah. Can I just... There we go. Bubbles! Bubbly, 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 bubbles. My bubbles. Fuck. Go away. You better stop that. I think I don't have any I-core either. Son of a bitch. Can this guy be one of those give me I-core guys? Nope, that's not right. But it works. Haha. No more awkward button pressing for me. Yes! Oh, damn it, I don't get to choose. Okay. Guess shouldn't look a gift. Trapple King jizz in the face. Bitch. Can I go to the right? I can go to the right. Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to go down. Holy fuck. Oh, fuck. Shit. Balls. 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 Motherfucker. There, I'll go this way. Suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking dick. Oh, got spikes. Oh, god. And then that guy can't die. Oh, eels. Magic eels. Go away. Yeah. Oh, shit. Balls. Nope. 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 No. Seriously? Oh, God. Oh, that should be nice little, Alright, what's the right word? God, what is the right word? Fuck, I don't know what the word is. Like fortune. Like fortune telling. Premonition, or times to come. Just call it that. Wait. Let's keep the... Probably gonna be cheap here, and just keep this out. Because why the fuck not, right? Now how do I get up there? I don't think I could strike up. Yet. Alright, so... And the kick is good! Oh, shit. How'd you throw an anchor out of the water? That's what I want to know. Like, shouldn't physics dictate, like, that's very hard to do? Whee! Fuck them all! Just go! And checkpoint! Oh, there's a thing. Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. Balls. Hey, diamonds. Actually, it was probably more like rubies. No, this is not how you do it. This is how I'm gonna do it. Money. And fortune. Wow, wow. Come on. There we go. Fishing under the sea. Under the sea. Down where it's better, down where it's better. Take it from me! I didn't have the locket. I remembered mid-jump that I didn't have the locket equipped. I had the fishing rod equipped. Which meant my button press is all the more fruitless. Like that! This is... off to a great start! Yes. I saw the new Carrie last night though, which was pretty cool. Are you serious? Oh god. Oh fuck. Okay. Anyway, new Carrie. Yeah, that's right. I saw that, and it was pretty good. Cause, oh god, how am I gonna do this? Okay. Oh, you motherfucking dicks. So to the new Carrie, which isn't all that new. I think that's a few years old now. I don't know. It's new to me, damn it. Die. Everyone just die. Don't give a shit. Oh, fuck. It's the thing from Kingdom Hearts. The squids from The Little Mermaid. Go away. Go. That's not far enough. It's not far enough. There we go. Fuck. So the new Carrie, actually wasn't that bad. How was that? Yeah, I liked how it focused more on her getting her powers. I'm not getting her powers, but discovering that she had abilities instead of like, oh hey, Squidward Tentaballs. Fuck. And I'm just gonna say, Tug Lesson. Nope! Fucking fucks. Oh. Fuck. Really? There we go. But I liked it, because it was like, it kind of showed more of her and her mother's relationship. Kind of led more as to why she had these abilities kind of thing, and why exactly her mother was treating her the way she did. No. Oh, thank fucking God. Damn it, game, don't do that! Gave me a fucking heart attack. Heart attack. Oh, that's okay. Face lock it. That's the last time I could do that until I get more. Good to know, game. Good to know. Alright, just get me to the fucking checkpoint. I can die peacefully now, I don't care. Yeah. And I like how they modernized it as well, because it was like, oh, hello there. Made it easier for her to discover she had powers by looking it up, and Jesus fucking Christ. I'm so distracted by talking that I didn't realize what was happening. Jesus. Fuck platformers like this. Fuck you, anglerfish. Remember when I said I could die happy? I may have lied a little bit. Just a little bit. But on that note, I'm going to leave this episode here. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot to me that any of you do that whatsoever. And, pardon me, sorry. It means a lot to me that anyone will actually hit the button. So, I'll see you guys next time.